At Webhelp, we are a global BPO, and we've been in the business for several years now, working with different industries, with different type of clients, in different countries, knowing a lot of what we call our game changers. That's how we call our agents, because we really believe that they change the game in every single interaction. As a quality and training leader, I think it's my responsibility and the responsibility of my entire team to evaluate the strategy from the new hire onboarding training till the actual day that they go into production. So one of the biggest pain points that we have that we had at the moment was, how can a game changer understand information, search for information, intake that information easily in a way that it was easier for them to resolve it during the interaction. Most of our customers now want for us to resolve in a more efficient way, in a faster way, that we resolve in the first contact. So it's critical for game changers to have that information, which probably we didn't have at that moment. Also, aside from that, coaching for Webhelp is extremely critical. The only way you're gonna get better is if you're coaching towards the right behaviors. So having a tool that would give us analytics and help us understand what process is broken, where exactly in the process our game changers are perhaps deviating from the right thing to do for the right resolution, was also a really big pain point that we have. One of the main reasons why we started working with Knowmax was the decision tree feature. We could not find that in the market elsewhere. That basically means that a very complex process can be broken down into specific steps that our game changers can use. And in essence, that makes their lives easier and also the customer experience better. At the same time, we could also utilize picture guides. So in BPOs, usually you don't have the possibility to download or to use applications from our customer standpoint because of IP or because of other restrictions. So having the possibility to somewhat emulate a process using picture guides was another pretty cool and original feature that we wanted to have in our training process. After partnering up with Knowmax, we had a smoother transition in training. So we not only had an LMS, but we now had a way to transition into an actual knowledge base that our game changers could start utilizing from inception, from their new hire. So when they move into nesting, their learning curve tends to be reduced. Aside from that, we established a very robust quality evaluation process because Knowmax actually allows you to see or to track agent usage of the different articles, the different information that we post or that we circle within the tool. Moving forward, we really see each other working with Knowmax in a very collaborative way. Throughout the last couple of years, we really have seen how whenever we need enhancements, whenever we need to have a solution, whenever we need to create something together, Knowmax has been that partner that has enabled us to also make proposals, to have conversations with us, to really understand what the issues are in terms of what's difficult for us and really understand those challenges.